In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Apollo.io with HubSpot. This integration can streamline your workflow and make it much easier to access and manage your data across both platforms. Let's jump right in. Start by navigating to the HubSpot homepage. If you're new to HubSpot, it's a powerful suite of tools designed to support your business's growth. Once you're on the homepage, look at the top right corner and click on the Login button. Enter your credentials, and once you're logged in, you'll land on your HubSpot home dashboard. Now, locate the Marketplace icon on the top navigation bar. It usually looks like a small storefront or grid. Click on it to open the HubSpot Marketplace, where you'll find all the apps that can integrate with your HubSpot account. Once the Marketplace loads, click on Apps to filter the Marketplace and display only the available applications. In the search bar, type Apollo.io. This is the quickest way to find it instead of scrolling through every app. When Apollo.io appears in the results, click on it to open the app's detail page. Here, you'll see information about the integration, the features it offers, and sometimes user reviews. But for now, we'll stay focused on getting it installed. Inside the Apollo.io page, look for the section labeled Apollo Enrichment. This feature enhances your HubSpot contact data using Apollo's database, giving you richer, more detailed information on your leads. Click on Apollo Enrichment to continue. Next, click on the Install App button. You may see a few permission prompts asking you to allow Apollo.io to access your HubSpot data. Review them carefully and click Allow to proceed. Once the installation completes, Apollo.io will be fully integrated with your HubSpot environment. Now you can enjoy enriched contact data and a smoother workflow right inside your CRM. And that's it. A simple and efficient process to integrate Apollo.io with HubSpot. Thanks for watching today's guide. Integrations like this can dramatically boost your productivity and make managing your business much easier. Feel free to explore more apps in HubSpot's marketplace to discover other useful tools for your operations. Happy HubSpotting.